In this video, you'll learn how to track emails in Gmail so you can see who's opening your messages and when. We'll go step by step, keeping everything simple and clear, and by the end, you'll be confident using tracking for your own emails. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. This process works best on a computer, not a phone or tablet, because most tracking tools are designed for desktop browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once your inbox is open and you can see your usual list of emails, you're ready for the next part. Gmail on its own doesn't include built-in email tracking, so to add that feature, you'll use an extension or a tracking tool that connects to your Gmail account. These tools usually come as browser extensions or add-ons that you install once, and then they appear directly inside your Gmail interface. Go to the website of the tracking tool you want to use, or to your browser's extension store, and search for a Gmail email tracking extension. When you find one you're comfortable with, click to install or add it to your browser, then follow the prompts to give it permission to work with your Gmail. Take a moment to read what access it's asking for so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. When the extension is installed successfully, you'll usually see a small icon in your browser toolbar, and in many cases, new buttons or symbols will appear inside Gmail, especially when you're composing an email. Now go back to Gmail and click the Compose button to start a new email. A new message window will open, usually in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll write your email just like you normally do. Add the recipient's email address, type a clear subject line, and then write your message in the body of the email. At this point, don't worry about the tracking yet, just focus on creating a clear, professional message. You can also attach files or add links exactly as you would with any standard email. Once your message is ready, look for the tracking option that your extension has added. This might look like a small icon, such as a check mark, an eye symbol, or a special logo, often near the send button or along the bottom row of icons in the Compose window. Hovering your mouse over the icon usually shows a label like Enable Tracking or Track Opens. Click that option to turn tracking on for this email. Some tools may let you choose between different types of tracking, such as tracking opens or tracking link clicks. If that's available, select the options that best match what you want to measure. After you've enabled tracking, take a quick moment to make sure everything in your email looks correct, the recipient, the subject, and your message. When you're satisfied, click Send. Your email will go out as usual, and the tracking tool will quietly monitor it in the background. Depending on the tool you installed, you'll typically be able to see when your email is opened right inside Gmail. That might appear as a small icon next to the sent message or as a notification from the tracking extension. You can later return to your sent folder, open the email, and check the tracking details provided by the tool. And that's all there is to it. Open Gmail, use an email tracking extension, compose your email, enable tracking, and send it off with confidence.